Hi dear students, I am your Srinivas sir from Sri Sai Sadbhavana School. We are learning about the skeletal system in the last classes. So that is the fifth lesson, our skeleton. How our skeleton works, everything we have studied about the parts of the skeleton. How many bones it is made up of? Yes, it is made up of 206 bones. Okay, here the spine, it consists of 26 bones. Next, the vertebrae, cervical vertebrae, everything we have already studied. A tissue, that is cartilage, which is acts as the cushion, which is acts as the cushion or shock absorber, we have studied. Next, the skull. The skull also we have studied. It protects the brain. The skull protects the brain. Then the ribs, which protects the heart as well as the respiratory system. Okay, the limbs, the girdles, everything we have studied. And joints and ligaments also we have studied about the mobile joints as well as the fixed joints. In the mobile joints, hinge joint, gliding joint, ball and socket joint, pivot joint, and we have learned in the fixed joint, that is the skull. That is the skull is the only the fixed joint in our body. Okay, skull is the only fixed joint in our body. Next, we'll move to the protection of bones. Okay, once again I will read this one. Protect the skull bones of your brain by wearing a helmet while riding two-wheeler. That means while moving by a two-wheeler, because it is very, very important. All the things which are controlled by our body are present in the brain. All the nerves connect to the brain, as well as the brain gives the messages or the commands to the all the parts of the body. Okay, so it is very, very important. So wear the helmet to protect your skull from the accidents. Next, be sure to add wrist supports and elbow knee pads while using skateboards. That means here they come. Okay, this knees and this support, elbow supports. Okay, elbow supports as well as the knee supports are coming. So while skating, if you fell down with the helmet, you are skating. If you fell down, this will affect more. Okay, this will affect more. So wear the protection guards for these areas. Next, wear all the right supply equipment while playing football and hockey. So, while playing football and hockey, wear all the equipments. Strengthen the skeleton by drinking milk and eating other dairy products like cheese, paneer, etc. They contain calcium, which helps bones gain strength. That means they contain calcium, which helps the bones and give the strength. Exercises like running, jumping, dancing and playing sports also strengthen our bones. That means the exercise running, jumping, dancing, playing sports are all gives the strength to our bones. Okay. Next we are moving to the muscles. Next we are moving to the muscles in the skeletal system. The next topic is muscles. Have you seen the muscles? Yes, here. These are all the muscles. Okay, these are all the muscles. Okay, these are all the muscles. This everything we call them as the muscles. Human body has more than 600 muscles. Okay, muscles are made of a type of plastic tissue. Thousands of small fibers make up each muscle. Muscles enable the bones of the body to move. They do everything from pumping blood throughout the body to helping you lift your heavy backpack. Muscles are attached to the bones with the help of a strong fiber called tendons. Fibers called tendons. Some muscles work under our control. These muscles are control the bones in our arms and legs when we run, walk, jump or swim. These are called voluntary muscles. Involuntary muscles are not under our control. Our stomach and heart have involuntary muscles. Muscles are made up of cells called muscle fibers. Here they are given about the muscle. Human body has more than 600 muscles. How many muscles? 600 muscles. 600 muscles. How they are made? They are made up of a plastic tissue, a type of plastic tissue, not from the plastic. Okay, it is like a plastic. It is like a plastic that means stretchable. Okay, that means what we call it. Once again, we will push it like that. It is acts like a plastic tissue. Thousands of small fibers make up each muscle. That means small fibers like structure. Okay, layers. What we call them as layers or fibers. Small like thread-like structure. Fibers means thread-like structures make this muscle. In a one muscle, there are thousands of fiber-like structure. That is thread-like structures are present. Muscles enable the bones of the body to move. That means the muscles help or control the movement of the bones. They do everything from pumping blood throughout the body to helping you lift your heavy backpack. That means it will help to pump the blood throughout our body to make it. That means pumping. Pumping is not easy because if you want to pump 1000 liters, you use to electrical motor. But in our body, the heart works as a pump without any electrical charge. Without any electrical charge, it works. Okay, that means pumping by this muscle is also a useful thing to our body, which pumps the blood, which transports oxygen as well as the food materials to all the parts of our body. Food materials to all the parts of our body, as well as helping you to lift your heavy backpack. That means to lift your heavy backpack. If you want to lift anything, it is useful. Muscles are attached to bones with the help of a strong fibers called tendons. The muscles are attached to bones. Okay, they are not separated or just they are not like this. They are attached to the bones. They are attached to the bones with a strong fiber called tendons. What we call it as tendons. It is the fiber like structure which attaches bones to the muscles. Bones to the muscle. Non-vegetarians will feel this one. If you remove the muscles from the bones, okay, it will not come easily. It will not come easily. If you want to make it some force to separate it. Okay, that means this tendon fiber is present. Okay. Next, come to the types of muscles. There are two types of muscles: voluntary muscle and involuntary muscle. What is the meaning of voluntary muscle? Some muscles work under our control. That means if you want to move, then only they will move. So they are called as voluntary muscles. Some other muscles are there, they are not in our control. They will do their work. Whatever happens, they will do their work up to from starting. That means from given birth to death time, they will do their work. Okay, they don't stop their work. Okay, they are called involuntary muscles. They are called as involuntary muscles. First, I will tell about the voluntary muscles. These muscles control the bones in our arms and legs when we run, walk, jump, or swing. What are the muscles present in the legs as well as the hands? They are called as voluntary muscles. They control the bones. They control the bones in our arms and legs. Okay, these are called as voluntary muscle. Next, come to involuntary muscles are not under our control. They are not under our control. Our stomach and the heart have involuntary muscles. They do their work. They do their work. Muscles are made up of cells called muscle fibers. They are called as muscle fibers. They are made up of the thing muscle fibers. Next, types of muscles. There are three types of muscle fiber. That is muscle fibers. How many types? There are three types of muscle fibers: smooth muscle fiber, cardiac muscle fiber, and skeletal muscle fiber. Okay, there are three types of muscle fiber. First one is smooth. First one is smooth muscle fiber. Okay, second one is cardiac muscle fiber. Third one is skeletal muscle fiber. Skeletal muscle fiber. One by one we will study here. Smooth muscle fibers. Most involuntary muscles have smooth muscle fibers. These muscles do not have bands. Organs of respiratory and circulatory system have smooth muscles. Similar muscles are present behind our eyes and help them focus. The smooth muscles work for long period without getting tired. That means smooth muscles. Where they are present in involuntary muscles. They are present in involuntary muscles. These are very, very smooth. So they are present in involuntary muscles. Okay. These muscles do not have bands. That means band-like structure they don't have. Organs of respiratory. That means lungs. And circulatory system. Blood circulation. That means veins, blood veins. Have smooth muscles. Similar muscles are present behind our eyes. Behind our eyes, the smooth muscles are present and help them focus. That means to focus. To get the light focused, it works. Okay, the smooth muscles work for long period without getting any tired. That means our respiratory system and as well as the circulatory system. They don't get tired. They always work. They always work. So these smooth muscles are very, very important for the human beings. That means these smooth muscles, where they are present in the respiratory organ as well as the circulatory organs. And behind the eyes, they are present. Okay, see here they are given the muscles, involuntary muscles, that is heart, voluntary muscles, our arms. Okay, smooth muscles where they are present, they are given. Okay, they are given about the smooth muscle figure. So I hope you understand what are the smooth muscles. Once again I will explain. Smooth muscles are involuntary muscles. Most involuntary muscles have smooth muscle fiber. These muscles do not have bands. Organs of respiratory as well as circulatory. That means respiratory means lungs. Circulatory means blood pipes. Blood veins. We call them as blood veins are made up of these smooth muscles. They won't get tired if they work for long time. Okay, they don't get tired if they work for long time. Next come to cardiac muscle. Cardiac muscle fibers. Cardiac muscle fibers. The heart is made up of cardiac muscle fibers. It is also known as myocardium. It is called as myocardium. They have bands running across the muscles. These muscles work quickly and are powerful. They do not get tired. This is why our heart keeps working day and night. That means cardiac muscle fibers. Cardiac itself indicates these are the muscles of heart. These are the muscles which are present inside the earth. That is the heart made up of cardiac muscle fibers. It is also known as myocardium. They have bands running across the muscles. They have some band-like structure running across the muscles. These muscles work quickly and are powerful. For that reason only, it is pumping the blood. It is pumping the blood. Okay. They do not get tired. They don't get tired at all. Okay. This is why our heart keeps working day and night. For that reason only, our heart is working day and night. That means there is no rest at all. If it take rest, we will take permanently rest. Okay, so if you don't take rest, it works. When it starts is when it forms, the heart forms. Okay, from that time to up to the death, it works. Continuously it works. Next come to skeletal muscle fibers. All voluntary muscles attached to the bones are made up of a skeletal muscle fiber. That means all voluntary muscles, what we call it as the muscles present in the hands as well as the legs. They are called as voluntary muscles. Okay. They are also called striated muscle fibers. They have dark bands running across the muscles. They have a dark band of muscles, dark bands running across the muscles. They have a dark band running across the muscles. Running means that is along with the muscle. That is along with the muscle band. They are present along with the muscles. Okay, once again I will explain skeletal muscle. All voluntary muscles attached to the bones are made up of the skeletal fibers. They are also called striated muscle fibers. They have dark bonds running across the muscles. That means all the voluntary. What we have in the legs, what we have in the hands, they are all voluntary muscles. That is skeletal muscle fibers. Next, how do muscles work? How these muscles work? Various actions of muscles make our body move. These muscles are made up of muscle cells. These cells in the body can contract or shorten and relax or lengthen. When a muscle cell relaxes, it returns to its original size. This ability of the muscle cells to contract and relax causes movements in the body. These muscles work in pairs to cause movement. We can keep our muscles strong and active through regular exercise and a balanced diet. Okay, how the muscles work. Various actions of muscles make our body move. So many actions, okay, of muscles make our body move. They contract, they expand, okay, like that our muscles work. These muscles are made up of muscle cells. As I explained, muscle fibers are muscle cells. These cells in the body can contract or shorten and relax or lengthen. That means they contract, become very small, shorten, become in a very less instant, relax. That means expand and lengthen. Like this, they will expand in the length also. When a muscle cell relaxes, it returns to its original size. That means relax means after stretching, it once again it comes to its original position, like a rubber band. What we call is a rubber band. What you are wearing for your ears. Okay, that like that. If it stretches, it lengthens. Once again, when you remove it, it comes to its original position. In the same way, the muscles work. Okay, this ability of the muscle cells to contract and relax causes movements in the body. That means this relax, contract, everything makes the muscles in our body to move. To move, that causes the movements of the body. It causes the movements of the body. That is the relaxation, the contract, okay, lengthen, shorten. These makes the body of our body to move. This makes our body to move. Okay. These muscles work in pairs to cause movement. They can work in pairs. We can keep our muscles strong and active through regular exercise and a balanced diet. How can we keep our muscles healthy and strong? By doing exercise and eating a balanced diet. Eating a balanced diet. What is the meaning of balanced diet? The diet or the food which consists of all the ingredients, carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, everything that is called as balanced diet. Okay, that is called as balanced diet. So this balanced diet is very, very important to keep our body health. For that reason only we are telling eat all the very ingredients. That means chapatis, that means wheat, ragi, rice, that cereals, once again the milk, okay, fats, that the things which are consists of fats, that is ghee, cheese, paneer, everything you have to eat, including the fruits. Including the fruits. In fruits, some vitamins are present. Carrot, some vitamins are present which are helpful for our eyes. Okay, so if you eat all those things, then our body will be fit for do any work. To do any work. So to keep our body, the balanced diet is very, very important. Along with do some exercise, some yoga. Okay, do some running or walking. So these all keeps your body healthy. All keeps your body healthy. Next, this completes your lesson. We will move to the fact file. When you were born, you had over 300 bones. See here, as you grow, some of these bones began to fuse together and now you have only 206 bones. See how it is. When you born, there are 300 bones in your body. There are 300 bones in your body. As you grow, some of these bones began to fuse together. That means they merge together. Merge into one into other. So totally now you have only 206 bones. That means a newborn baby has 300 bones, but now you have 206. Okay, next come to the, let us summarize. The skeletal system gives shape and support our body. Very, very important. Without the skeletal system, it is not possible to stand or walk or do anything. So the skeletal system gives a perfect posture to our body. Joints are the meeting points of two bones. That means joints. These are the meeting points of two bones. The movement of bones is possible because of muscles attached to the bones. The muscles are attached to the bones. For that reason, the movement is possible. Voluntary muscles are under our control, whereas involuntary muscles work on their own. Voluntary muscles, these are called the voluntary muscles. They are in our control. The heart, the lungs, they are involuntary muscles, and the stomach. So they work themselves. Okay, they are not in our control. Okay. They have given the exercise, everything we will do. Okay, in the next class. Okay, thank you very much. Have a nice day. Please like and subscribe our channel.